So there's a few bolts to take off. You got this one, you got this one for the headlights, you have this other one for the fender, and then you have another one down here. You have some clips down here, and from the inside of the car, I don't know, probably have another one. So let's first take these ones out and then move on to the next one. So these are 10mm bolts. I'm gonna first start with the headlights. I'm gonna move on to the fender. And then we have this one at the bottom. And then there's more screws behind this plastic bracket over here. So we need to take this off, take the screws off, and then see if there's any more screws. So I broke one clip, but you need to take off 1, 2, and the third one, and then take off that bolt. I think it's the same size, 10mm. Slightly bigger, I think it's 11. So we also have to take this, pull it out a bit. I think it's taped onto the fender. So there's one more bolt underneath this. So once you've moved that one to the side, we are able to access the fender over here, this bolt. So we can take that bolt off, and as you can see inside there's another bolt over there. Should be this one. So that's bolted when you take off.